There's no denying that hold that TikTok has on the world. It pulls in 1 billion users each month, is in 154 countries and 39 languages. It's also filled with tons of amazing content creators. Welcome back, guys, to another video of Golden Lux, where in this video we will talk about the most famous TikTok girls in 2022. Arishfa Khan. Arishfa Khan is no stranger to the entertainment industry. She began her career acting at the tender age of 9. Her explosive growth on TikTok is attributed to her lip-syncing videos. On YouTube, she hosts a beauty and makeup channel and has 1.15 million followers. Baby Ariel. Ariel Rebecca Martin is an American social media influencer, actress, and singer. Given the popularity of her brand, she has been featured as one of the top influential people online by Time magazine and also made Forbes' 2017 list of top entertainment influencers. In 2016 and 2017, she won a Teen Choice Muser Award and has also been behind a social cause against internet bullying. As a singer, Martin has released 8 singles to date, with New Kid in Town making the soundtrack of Zombies 2. Ariel officially signed with talent and sports agency Creative Artists Agency in late 2016. Her debut single, Aw, was released on December 1, 2017. Addison Rae. Addison Rae is an American social media influencer. She's known for producing dance videos on TikTok. According to sources, she's part of the TikTok collaborative called The Hype Group and reportedly signed with talent agency WME in early January 2020. Lauren Gray. Lauren Gray is an American social media personality and singer. She became popular at the age of 13 and during the early days of TikTok, while it was still called Musical.ly. She was also nominated for a 2016 Teen Choice Muser Award and a 2017 Shorty Award. On TikTok, she shares dance videos and lip-sync videos. Charli D'Amelio. Charli D'Amelio is an American social media personality and the most followed TikTok female in the world. For her accomplishment, the New York Times called the reigning queen of TikTok. On Instagram, she commands 13.8 million followers, 1.1 million followers on Twitter, 76K on Facebook, and a modest 3 million subscribers on YouTube. She shares dance and lip-sync videos. Charli also has a clothing line. While TikTok is still relatively new, it has already shown just how popular it is. Every month, it attracts 800 million users in over 150 countries. What is more, it also has countless amazing content creators. That's all for today. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to get more informative videos like this.